Hi there, my name is Jerry from the customer support team. Thanks for taking the time to watch this instructional video on how to navigate the B2B website. In this short instructional video, I'll be able to show you how to log in, shop and browse, and other little handy tips and tricks to navigate the website. To log into the Wholesale website, type into the search browser www.splosh.com.au and click the link to our website. Once on our page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Login. You will then be taken to a web page which asks you to specify your country. Click the appropriate one and add in your login details. Your login details were given to you on your welcome email. If you're in need of your details, please contact our customer support team and they can assist you. One of the first things we will require you to do in order to work with us is to apply for a credit application. This provides us with all your contact information so we can get in touch with you, and is also the fastest way for us to send out your stock without delay. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and click Credit Application. Fill in the application form, tick the terms and conditions and click Submit Application. We have carefully designed our B2B website to be simple and user-friendly. The first thing to check when placing an order is, am I on the Stockers portal? You can check this by looking at the top of the page and ensuring the black Stockers portal bar is displaying. If you already know what you're looking for, you can easily search using the category drop-down menus. This is an easy way to navigate by each category. If you're after a specific range, click on the magnifying glass and type in what you're looking for and hit search. When you've found a product you would like to order, hit the Add to Cart button. When the product has successfully been added, it will confirm by showing in the green ribbon at the top of the page. Below each product will display the minimum order quantity. The minimum order total is $300, so keep filling your cart until you have reached this amount. To complete your ordering, click on the shopping trolley symbol in the top right. Here you can double check your order to ensure you haven't missed anything. If you would like to increase or decrease an item, use the arrow keys and then scroll to the bottom and select Update Shopping Cart. If you have a discount code, you can add it here. When you're happy with your selection, hit the green Proceed to Checkout button. Review your shopping details and select Next. If you have any final instructions for us, you can add it here. When completed, select Place Order. You will then be taken to the order confirmation page and you're all done. Another useful feature to note is our order minimum and carton quantity specifications, which can be found under the Stockers tab. This page takes you to a PDF where you can see our order minimums for Splosh and our distribution brands. Thanks for taking the time to watch this instructional video. If you'd like more information, please reach out to your local area manager or call the Splosh head office.